Weeman, I thought of you because I saw a recent study that was saying that the average annual turnover rate for call center staff was between 30 and 45%. And that just blew me away. Is that, as far as you know, true?
Yeah, that sounds about right. I regularly hear from our customers that staff burnout is a real problem with healthcare workers who are really doing their best to help patients navigate their care. With call center staff specifically, we are seeing them handling between 50 to 70 calls a day, and each call could take easily between 2 to 5 minutes, depending on the complexity of the call.
Wow. So I imagine their risk of burnout is just super, super high.
Yeah, according to some research I've seen, is like nearly 75%.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, so in addition, like because there's staff burnout, there's also a high turnover rate, and the cost of replacing a call center staff could easily be about 10 to 20,000 per agent to train them and also account for lost productivity.
Okay, so how are we helping solve for that?
Automation. So we know that a lot of call requests are repetitive work, and depending on the practice, we have seen that up to 40% of calls could be related to appointment management, and that's something that Luma does really well. Navigator, our conversational AI agent, can sort of handle calls like this so that live agents are only handling calls from patients that are more on the complex side or really do need that staff touch. We can do rescheduling. You'll just be calling the number that's actually on our website. You'll just be calling and you can give whatever information you want.
Hello, this is Hayes Valley Health Automated Patient Support Hotline. How can I assist you today?
I need to reschedule an upcoming appointment.
Sure, I can help you with that. Could you please provide your date of birth for verification?
It's January 1st, 1990.
Thank you. Could you provide either your phone number or email address as well?
Yes, 415-651-4321.
Thank you. Can you also confirm your first name?
Alex?
Thank you for verifying your information. Alex, could you please let me know which appointment you would like to reschedule? Currently have the following appointments. June 20th at 10 a.m. with Dr. Smith at Hayes Valley North Beach. July 11th at 2 p.m. with Dr. Johnson at Hayes Valley Mission. August 28th at 9 a.m. with Dr. Brown at Hayes Valley Soma. Please confirm which one you'd like to reschedule.
The one on July 11th.
Got it. What is your preferred date and time for rescheduling the appointment? Here are the next 3 available options for rescheduling your appointment. July 13th at 10 a.m. with Dr. Johnson at Hayes Valley Mission. July 18th at 9 a.m. with Dr. Johnson at Hayes Valley Mission. July 1st at 3 p.m. with Dr. Johnson at Hayes Valley Soma. Which of these options would work best for you?
July 18th, please.
Your appointment has been rescheduled to July 18th at 9 a.m. with Dr. Johnson at Hayes Valley Mission. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
That's it.
Thank you for contacting Hayes Valley Health. Have a great day.